Next, of course, where was I going to go next? Well, naturally to my room. I'm going to my room. I'm going to tour this palatial Petite Versailles of a room. It was an interior room on the spa deck. Now, once again, let me just say, I didn't get any slippers. I didn't get any like welcome basket or whatever. I didn't get none of that. And I can hear you right now. Well, Jason, supply issues. I don't care. Save it. Save it. Save the supply issue excuse. I mean, I really don't care. It wasn't really the big deal for me. I did, that level mostly for the thermal suite was included, and it's a good location. It is really convenient to a lot of stuff. But I didn't get it. I didn't get that stuff nonetheless. I'm just going to put that out there in case it is important to you. Okay, so the room itself was efficient in its use of space, which is a way of saying it was small, of course. But hey, I don't need to say that. I got a video right here. It's coming up right here where you can see me do the typical room tour in my fancy spa robe. It was a robe. I did get the robe. So my fancy spa robe, and I even point out, be sure and don't miss it. One of the other perks, you get a special fancy spa towel to take out by the pool. I did take it into Cozumel with me, I think. Anyway, I haven't taken it anyplace else. So that video's right now.
Welcome to my room. Okay, let's see here. We're going to do a quick turnaround and we're going to back up into the palatial space that is an interior room on the Carnival Breeze spa level. This is the spa deck. Let me do a quick turn here. There we go. That's the entrance there, storage. Door to the bathroom, and we're going to call this room intimate. This is an intimate room. Not small, not cozy, but intimate. Actually, it is small, as you can see, but it's functional, and it's got enough space for two people. Now, I was in a 1A on this room back in August. This is a regular interior room here on the Breeze. And of course, the 1A felt a little bit bigger, actually quite a bit bigger. Now, part of that's because the bed, which is like a queen size bed right now, two twins put together, is just one twin with the other one up above in the ceiling. So it does make a lot more floor space, but if you're traveling as two people, this is a necessity. I am traveling by myself, but I don't think they have a 1A for the spa level, and that's what I was doing, which, as you can see, I have on one of the benefits of being on the spa level, which is spa robe with your room. There's supposed to be slippers too. I've never gotten the slippers. I don't know if they actually exist. I've never gotten the slippers, but I do have the robe on. And you may think, why are you wearing your robe right now? Because I can't decide what to wear to dinner tonight. I do actually put a lot of thought into what I'm wearing on a cruise. Now, when I'm going to work, I just grab whatever's on top. But when I'm on a cruise and I'm about to go to dinner or do something else, I do kind of think about what I'm going to wear, and that's what I'm thinking about right now. And I need to be, I'm just kind of telling you that as filler because there's not much to show of this room. I'm going to put some pictures here, of course, that show like still shots so you can see what it looks like. We'll go over here and we'll look real quick at the bathroom, which if you've ever looked at any video of a Carnival cruise ship room outside of the suite class, it looks exactly the same. See that? Yes, lovely, nice. It looks exactly the same as all the rest of them, which is good. You get the same bathroom as anybody else. So, and you have as much space for storage as anybody else because you have these 3 closets here as you come in the door, which is a lot of storage. So I'll give them that. And you've got, of course, these sort of drawers here. Let's see if I can get that right. For storing stuff on the vanity. The vanity is actually pretty nice little vanity area. What's the big drawback with this room? Same thing as with the 1A. No chairs, no place to sit. There's a little stool there. Nice little stool. With the special, see the yellow towels? Those are also special for the spa level. That way, when you go out on the deck, everyone's like, oh, well, he's on the spa level. Or levels, I think there's 2 floors, 11 and 12 both. Maybe 14 has, no. On the Vista, I think level 14 has some spa rooms. Okay, so there's no chair in here. Now, the great thing, in comparison to a 1A, is that 2 people can lay on the bed back here and watch the TV over there in the corner. In the 1A, it's much more difficult especially because the top bunk really can't. It'd be very hard to see the TV from the top bunk. That's it. That is our tour of the interior spa room here on the Carnival Breeze. Now, back to the normal programming.
So as you can see, like I said, an efficient use of space. I really didn't mind it. It did not feel as crowded as it might look on a video. Once again, the big drawback of rooms like this, no place to sit except the bed. There was a small stool, blah, blah. You know the drill. But it was a good price. It was a good price. Well, not really. I mean, compared to the cost of the other rooms, this was a 50th anniversary room or sailing, so everything was premium priced, at least when I bought it. So it wasn't a super good price compared to a normal cost of a cruise, but it's a good price in regard to the rest of the rooms. It was in a great location. And I thought it was fine. It worked great. I mean, especially as a solo traveler, it worked great. And I think as a couple it would too. Now, I've heard of people putting 4 people in one of these rooms. Those people got patience. You have got patience. You have got, like, the ability to compromise of a saint. If you can get 4 of you in this room and all of you come, like one of you didn't disappear. One of you didn't go overboard. No one knows what happened to you by the end of the cruise. If you can manage that, you've done very well. But you can. People have done it, and it is a great way to save money on the cruise. I'm not in my room very much. I'm not kidding when I say that. I get up. I'm out and about. I like to be out about the ship. I stay up late. I like to go places and hang out. So I'm not there much. So it was fine. It was good. It was what it was. And what...